What's up, family? It's your girl, Nafessa Williams. Welcome to my lifestyle of film, fashion, philanthropy, right here in the city of brotherly love. Today is a super dope day since I've connected with the next level Lexus NX. Now, I stay on the go, whether making moves to photo shoots or speaking engagements. Therefore, I'm appreciative of the efficient power whenever I'm en route. And with the all-wheel drive, I can navigate the lively Philly streets with ease. So when Lexus talked to me about showing my lifestyle and some of my favorite places to go to eat in Philly, the first thing that came to mind was Fred's. This is a staple snack, a staple treat here in Philly. This is how far back I go with Fred's. I remember when Fred's used to have this cart and he would push it or ride it up these blocks around here in Southwest. So to see the level of entrepreneurship to go from this cart to this freestanding water ice store, it speaks to all of us that literally anything in life that we want, any dream that we have is possible, and it's really already written. It's really just up to us to go and get it. If you ain't never had a water ice from Fred's, you are tripping. It's so good, y'all. Bye. My NX 350 luxury all-wheel drive is blessed with an attention-grabbing spindle grille, LED headlights, LED blade tail lamps, and the luxury package including these 20-inch alloy rims with a silver finish. Hey y'all! I'm an actress, I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm also a philanthropist. And what inspired my movie career was actually growing up in the city of Philly. It was pretty rough, and I would escape through watching TV. And The Cosby Show was the first time I remember watching TV and seeing Rudy Huxtable, like, who is she? She looks like me. I want to do that. How do I get inside of the TV screen? So that was the first start. I was always obsessed with TV, so I figured that was where I wanted to be. So here I am. So some of my favorite features is the color. Grecian water is the color of my Lexus NX. If y'all know me, y'all know I love blue. So in case y'all ain't know, that's what Grecian water is, version of blue. And another thing that I love, I used to be a race car driver in my past life. So the sport mode of the Lexus NX has me balling in the streets getting my whole entire life. Safety comes in the form of LSS Plus 3.0, known as Lexus Safety System Plus, which is the most advanced version of LSS and one of, if not the most advanced suite of standard safety features in its class. Safe Exit Assist uses blind spot monitors to prevent occupants from opening a door if the NX detects another vehicle approaching too close. My driver-inspired cockpit is designed with the philosophy of perfect balance. So everything is placed right where the driver needs it, within reach, and made to be intuitive so the vehicle and the driver can feel and anticipate one another. Wireless Apple CarPlay allows me to chill with my favorite artists through the 17-speaker Mark Levinson audio system. Wait, is somebody hot? No worries. Dual zone automatic climate control will handle that. Whether you love your city, whether you love your all-new Lexus NX, most importantly, make sure you love yourself. I sponsor a cheerleading group, which I used to cheer for. It's called the Northwest Raiders. It's feeling so good. It's bringing back all the memories, like that competitive energy that I have. Like I got that from being here and going to competition and just wanting to be the best team in the city. Being in this building alone is just, I can cry low-key, but I'm not going to do that because we need my face to stay clean. I used to be a flyer, so what they're doing right now is considered stunts and amount. So I'm gonna see if I still got it. I think I do. I think I remember what I'm supposed to do, but I'm a little nervous. All right, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy insight into my world. Now, please Go experience amazing at your Lexus dealer. Peace, y'all.